One of the amazing features that LinkedIn has when you build a network is the ability to run events through LinkedIn. And it's really easy to set up. You just scroll down on the left, you'll see events, you'll see a little plus sign, click on that. From here, you can just go through and set up your event name, the start, end date, the description, who's speaking at it, the nature of the event, whether it's a public event, anyone can attend, or private, whether you want to collect the registrants' emails so you can build a list for your database. And if you're doing a virtual event, which many of us are during COVID, you can put in your Zoom, webinar, broadcast link, Google Hangout, wherever you're doing it, and people that register can get access and join that. Another incredible free feature that LinkedIn offers is the ability to click this blue button down the bottom left and filter and invite anyone who's a great fit to attend your event on the LinkedIn platform. So I could filter to an industry and invite specific connections in that industry. So let's say it was Melbourne accountants, I can hit apply, and then anyone that fits that criteria in my network, I can select them and click the blue invite button. I can also go through my entire network and invite anyone in that network without filtering as well. This presents a great opportunity to fill your event organically without advertising. And as you can see already, there's 21 attendees for this event that I set up only a couple of days ago, just from inviting people in my LinkedIn network. Make sure that you're subscribed and you're following us for more tips and tricks and LinkedIn marketing strategies to help grow your business and generate more leads.